This is Ramesh from PMC Tech Ozo. I am going to take a topic from jet propulsion. Okay, jet propulsion is the application of Newton's third law. Okay, from this you can divide classified jet propulsion in two categories. That is, one is the air breathing engine. Second one is the non-air breathing engine. So, air breathing engine is that it is the combustion process take from atmospheric air, and second one is that non-air breathing engine. For that combustion process, it will not take air atmospheric air. Instead of that, it will take its own oxygen. We want to provide solid or liquid, likewise propellant we want to give it in rocket engines. Only the non-air breathing engine will use. From this, we are going to see that air breathing engine. What are the categories of that? One is the turbojet engine. And another, second one is the turboprop engine. And third one is the ramjet engine. And fourth one is the turbofan engine. Etc. Some we can tell you that pulse jet engine, scramjet engine we can add. Okay. From this, we are going to see that turboprop engine. How it will work, application, advantage and disadvantages. We are going to see that. First, turboprop engine. Okay, turboprop engine, you can say it turbo propeller engine also. First, we are going to draw that diagram. Segment diagram for part-wise we are going to draw the segmenting diagram. One is the diffuser. So this part is compressor. So combustion chamber. So turbine nozzle. Okay. We'll give it a name. This is the diffuser. It's a compressor. This part is the combustion chamber. This part is called the turbine. This one is the nozzle. Okay. This compressor and combustion chamber in between is connected through shaft through the turbine. Okay. Then these are actually turbo propeller engine. So we want to give a propeller. The propeller shaft is connected with that up to turbine with compressor. Okay, this is the propeller. This is the reduction gearbox. Okay, these are the parts having in turbo propeller engine. Another one that is the fuel injectors are there inside. Okay. Now we will see that how these parts are working. What is the use of propeller engine. Okay. So first, the atmospheric air will enter through the diffuser. It's a static pressure. Mainly, the propeller we are using to increase the static pressure. Then reduction gear is we are using that from a compressor to turbine. We are connected both shaft connectively to increase the static pressure. So velocity of angular velocity of shaft is very high. That will if you connect with propeller, it's difficult. It will not work. So we are using the reduction gearbox. Okay. Then diffuser, the static pressure will go to the diffuser. Mainly diffuser job. It will reduce the velocity and increase the pressure. That is, kinetic energy is converted into pressure energy, static pressure. Then static pressure increases to pass to the compressor. Here, the static pressure fully compressed. Then that will pass to the combustion chamber. Here, suitable fuel injectors we are using. With that, we will get a burn. With high compressed gas is passed to the turbine. The turbine here, power is produced. Then that hot gas is passed to the nozzle. The nozzle job is that it will increase the velocity and decrease the pressure. That means pressure energy is converted into kinetic energy. Then with very high velocity will exit. So this is the job. Due to that, we are getting a propulsive power in this engine. We are using this engine for aircraft. So we will get a propulsive power. Applications we can tell it, that is commercial aircraft we are using the turbo propeller engine, and military aircraft we are using this. Then advantages, fuel economy, and disadvantages is that very complicated to make this turbo propeller engine. Thank you.